What's up, guys? Grunt here, and today we're going to be checking out Sean's new car. So before we get into this video, I just want to say if you haven't already, subscribe with most notifications on so you never miss an upload. Drop some likes if you enjoyed today's video. Social medias down below. Without further ado, let's get right into Sean's new car.
I thought about playing the Far Cry 5 theme on my way here. Hey Dalton.
Hey Sean.
Hey Dalton.
Is it me or is your car the same color as Mike's?
Same color as Mike's. You can fit a whole body in this trunk. Oh yeah. They got good trunks. They're far back, but they're not. Yeah, River climbed his dirty body into my back seats, and I'm disappointed. I can see the handles.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I stopped by his house on my way back.
And your way back into town?
Yeah, you guys kept calling me on my way back to town too.
Yeah.
I was getting a little bit upset because Dalton kept spam calling me, and I'm like, no, please don't.
We're waiting for you to get back into town because we actually got to go to Canton to get, what was it called? Super glue?
No, we want to get poster board. Why you want to get us poster board? Because we have a piece of cardboard. You can get poster board up there.
Look at that engine.
Not bad. They clean this up pretty good. Oh yeah. I'm really proud of myself. Who's yelling right now? Probably Bradley, considering he's still on the call. I kept hearing him yelling. I'm like, who the fuck is that? Yeah, there's probably your horn. I can't really tell. I haven't seen a modern horn. I've only seen the old styles like my truck has. They're swirls. But that looks like. I gotta remember that there's a latch right there. You what? I gotta remember that there's a latch right there.
But if we do that, we could also go and stop at some of them, grab the Wii games, so we can play that.
That is true.
Do you want to do that?
I mean, it would be a trip to some of them.
True.
nice lights.
Look at Sean's little cup holder, it's lighting up. That's neat.
Even in there, it's lighting up. Guys, look at that moon.
The moon is beautiful.
Look at Sean's freaking lights in here, dude. Man. That is just nice, dude.
Nice.
Okay. Nice. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I've also been busy making videos for the gaming channel. Links to the gaming channel as well. Bye.